Kutyauripo, Maningi head coach. Our camp is very, very good. Our players are just enjoying having any good excitement. They are well preparing for this tournament. It is good for them because they are going to be watched by many people, many scouts, and for themselves, it is good for preparation of national team because there's going to be more coaches and outside coaches who are going to watch this tournament. So it brings more excitement to our game. This game of football, we can't judge if we are going to get the first position, but we are prepared to play final. What I think about it.